If you feel heaviness in your heart, it doesn't necessarily mean that there is something bad that's going to happen. It's not always a warning or a sign. It is just a guidance for you to listen that there is something that requires your attention. It could be something that needs immediate attention but not necessarily damaging. So just listen and allow. Allow yourself to feel that. And then the entire day, you will just understand what it will mean for you or what it requires you to do. We all want to accomplish everything. Of course, we want everything to be out of our way so we can fully relax. That's what we think. However, for you to really accomplish with good results, you need to slow down. And to slow down literally means just to allow imperfection. Do the task, do everything that you need, but give a little bit consideration. Be gentle on yourself. Allow imperfections and just do completion for now. You will somehow agree that when we wake up, most of the time we feel light. However, as the days goes on, we feel heavier and we feel drained. Well, it's not because only of you, of your energy, but it's the energy of everything that surrounds you. Not only energy of people and spaces, but also all the energy that influence and manipulates your thoughts and your emotions. So when you absorb all this energy, then you become tired. It will always manifest as tiredness and sluggishness. And sometimes it can even manifest on sadness, which you sometimes calls depression. You need to definitely clean up today because your space is too dirty, and that's why it makes you feel so overwhelmed, angry, and sometimes miserable. If you want to be calm, start cleansing it now, and you can do that by first decluttering. So what you don't need, which you think you will be needing in 1 year or 2 years, get rid of them. Give it to someone, or you can just throw it away or donate it. And next would be activate your senses. Today, just start with the smell. Light some candles or incense, and it will make you feel good. People always think, and that could include you, that every day should be a high and good feel day. But sometimes it doesn't happen that way. It's not because you did wrong or you are not doing something good, but it's because there are a lot of things or factors that's influencing our day. So just allow each day to pass by. Be gentle on yourself. Let it be an experience of a lifetime. And as you encounter challenges, try your best just to be calm and find solutions or ways. Just stop beating yourself up. You should allow yourself to flow. Be gentle. It's not always perfect. And don't feel guilty if you rest or if you slow down, because you are a human. We need some time to take care of our physical body, of our mind, and of course, our health. So to rest is not a sin. In fact, it's a very good way to heal. And that is what you should do right now.